So hey guys, in this video we are going to take up the second problem for the STM, that is state transition matrix by infinite series method. Okay, so if you have not watched first video, it is quite important to watch first video because everything is explained over there. Now second question, basically we are directly going and diving into the answer. Okay, so the matrix is basically the A matrix is given as a 2 cross 2 matrix and it is 1 1 0 1. This is the matrix. We need to find the STM using the infinite series method. So basic thing is that we need to find phi of t, which is the e power at, which is a state transition matrix, equal to 1. Instead of 1, what you are putting? Identity matrix I plus at plus a square t square divided by 2 factorial plus a cube b t cube divided by 3 factorial plus so on. So the step is basically a is given, we need a square, we need a cube, till a cube you find out. Okay, so that means you will get an idea of the series. No need to find for the entire series, it is not possible. So what you need to do, a is there, a square find out, a cube find out, just put it in the place, in the substitute again back in the formula, you will get an idea for the entire series. You have to replace it with this particular kind of exponential series part. Okay, first is to find a square. We already have a, so a square is basically the multiplication of a and a. 0 1. Take the matrix 1 1 0 1, multiply with 1 1 0 1. I hope you know how to multiply 2 cross 2 matrix. Both are 2 cross 2. So first row, first column, first row, second column, just multiply and add. Okay, so you'll be getting the answer as what? 1 2 0 1. Done. After getting a square, we need to find out a cube. For a cube, the basic idea is a into a into a. We already have a square, so you need to just take a square, multiply with a. That's all. So a square is the previous answer. So 1 2 0 1, multiply with what? A. It is 1 1 0 1. So when you multiply the same thing, first row, first column, second first row, second column, then second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay. So multiply and add, you'll be getting 1 3 0 1. So that is also done. Substitute back in the formula. So we were having the formula as what? Let me just substitute back. So phi of t is equal to e power at, which is the STM state transition matrix, equal to identity matrix I plus at is there, plus a square t square by 2 factorial plus a cube t cube divided by 3 factorial plus so on. We found out a square, a cube, a is already there, and matrix you know, just substitute here. So phi of t becomes what? Or e power at, directly you can write, becomes I is the identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 1. We have already studied, plus a is the question itself. Question you know, it is 1 1 0 1. This is the question. You have to multiply with t, so write t here, plus now the a is t square divided by 2 factorial, take it outside. 2 factorial is basically 2 itself. Okay, so no need to, I hope you know factorial. So 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. In descending order you have to multiply till 1, it reaches 1. And the matrix a square, what is a square over here? It is 1 2 0 1. 1 2 0 1 plus, now this particular thing, it is t cube divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6 itself, right? So no need to again write factorial, just remove it. So directly write the value, which is 6, into the matrix. What is the a cube matrix? Just now we found out 1 3 0 1. Now addition is quite important. So how to add? Very simple. You already have what? Plus sign in between. Be careful with that. Here plus, here plus, right? Plus you write dot dot dot, it is basically the infinite series. So I'm going to take up, so the phi of t, you'll be getting a 2 cross 2 matrix. The first element here, first element here, first element here, first element here, just multiply and write, you'll be getting 1 plus 1 into t, so t itself, then 1 into t square by 2, so it is t square by 2, plus 1 into t cube by 6, right? So written. Now next, this element 0 1 2 3, So it will be 0, no need to write. Now 1 into t itself, plus t square, 2t square by 2. Now the thing is that always remember you need to simplify everything. Okay, so plus 2t square by 2, right? So 2 to cancel. Now here if you see 3 is sitting, so it is 3t cube by 6, ones are twos are. So we'll simplify and write afterwards. Next 0 0 0 0, no need to write itself, directly write 0. Next 1 1 1 1, so it will be kind of same thing as this one, right? So plus so on, plus you put, and so on. It is an infinite series, right? That's why. So the this element is same as this element itself, because it is all everywhere 1. So you can directly write 1 plus t square by 2 plus t cube by 6 plus so on. Okay, so this part also done. Now the thing is that I'll just in a short this thing I'll write. I hope you remember some of the series from the first video. If not, I'll just tell you. So remember e power t formula. It is basically 1 plus t plus t square by 2 factorial plus t cube by 3 factorial. Right? Like we are having e power 80, right? 1 plus at plus the same thing. Instead of 80, t is there. That's all. Plus 1. If you're writing e power minus t, it is basically just plus minus combination will come. 1 minus t plus t square by 2 factorial plus minus t cube by 3 factorial, right? So on. So like this combination you need to remember. So if you see the first element is exactly same as this one, right? So these two anyways is same. These two elements are same series. All don't get confused. See here it is 2, here it is 2 factorial. 2 is same as 2 factorial. And 3 factorial is same as what? 6. Because 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. So don't get confused over here. You need to have some logic over in your mind. Okay, that's all. So anyways we'll write. And one more thing, what about 0? 0 you leave it as it is. This one what you do? So anyways here t, it starts from t square. In the first video I have explained the one direct formula. It is basically t into e power t. Okay, it is basically t into e power t. If you multiply this particular thing series with t, it will become this particular part. Otherwise, what is the logic you have to apply? You take outside t. If you take common as t, so inside what will be there? 1 plus t plus t square by 2 plus so on. So it is basically becomes the e power t series. So that's why I said it is t into e power t. So this all combinations you have to learn and keep, memorize and keep, so that directly you can put the values. No need to search anywhere. Directly you can put the values. So what happens? So phi of t, I can write the final answer. So the first part it is e power t. This part also e power t. This is 0. This part is t into e power t. Just multiply t with the e power t. You will be getting this answer. Okay, so I hope you understood. This is the final answer. Phi of t is basically e power at, which is a state transition matrix.